Hi, everyone. I'm Catherine Rinaldo, a personal injury attorney in Tampa, Florida, and founding partner of Rinaldo Law Group. For the past 35 years, I've had the privilege of representing personal injury clients throughout the state of Florida. At our law firm, we are very concerned about the health and safety of our clients and the public at large. For this reason, we have put together a series entitled COVID-19 Personal Injuries, When and How to Seek Treatment. I have a very special guest today. His name is Dr. Tan Tran. Dr. Tran, could you share with us a little bit about your practice?
Hi, Catherine. Thanks for having me on. I'm a doctor of chiropractic. I've been practicing in Tampa in the Brandon area. We've been here serving Tampa since 2001. Our focus of our practice is primarily musculoskeletal conditions and injuries, primarily. Injuries related to automobile accidents, slip and falls, and sports injuries. We have quite a bit of a background in sports management as well.
I understand you also serve as the Tampa Bay Bucks physician. Is that correct?
That's correct. I'm one of the chiropractors for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. We've had a lot of news all spring about the Bucks. It seems to be dominating the NFL right now with two big additions to the team. We have one of the greatest quarterbacks of all time, Tom Brady, who joined the team about a month ago or so. And now, just this week, we have one of the greatest Hall of Fame quality tight end, Rob Gronkowski, who just as recently joined the team. So we're super excited. Hopefully we can get this season up and running.
So we had talked before this interview started about Tom Brady and his attitude concerning, and this is well known, this is public knowledge, concerning his body. And it's my understanding that he doesn't leave any stone unturned. If he has any type of problem, he immediately seeks the care of a healthcare professional. Is that true, as far as you know?
Yeah, I've not had an opportunity to work with him yet, just because of the pandemic and things are shut down in the NFL right now. But from what I've heard, the way he treats his body and takes care of himself is legendary. You don't get to play at that elite level, being he'll be 43 years old this year, by not paying specific attention to every detail of your health.
And is it fair to say we all should do that, kind of use Tom Brady within reason as the standard bearer for how we should respect and treat our body and keep it as healthy as possible?
Oh, absolutely. I think that's, he's proven that, age is just a number, and that you can accomplish a lot of things if your health requires work and attention, just like anything else.
So, Dr. Tran, we both work in an industry where we're dealing with people that are hurt due to no fault of their own. And could you share with us what your best recommendation would be to someone who finds himself with a neck or back injury or any type of pain or discomfort following a trauma, be it an auto accident or a slip and fall?
Well, I think that the first thing is to seek attention as soon as possible. Well, we understand we're in the middle of a pandemic right now, but the reality is that there's other conditions and injuries that require attention. That essentially is, where do you go to get treatment or an evaluation? Considering the strain on hospital staff and the interest of not straining hospital staff, that seeking evaluation from a chiropractor might be a better option, and that can take the strain away from hospital staff.
And can you tell us what our viewers should do to determine whether or not the chiropractic or healthcare office that they go to is following the COVID-19 guidelines, and that they are likely to be safe if they do seek treatment there?
Well, I think the easiest thing is just to call and ask. Call and ask, and ask the clinic and what type of mitigation strategies have they put in place to ensure that if you're going to go seek treatment, that you're not in danger of contracting a virus or contracting an infection. So there are CDC guidelines out there that guide practices and how to treat the public. There are orders even within Tampa and the state of Florida that guides the interactions between your patients. And so I
What are you
think that
doing?
one of the easiest things is just to call now.
Call and ask. And what are you doing at your office so that when they do ask, they know, well, Dr. Tran said that these are the things they're doing. So I feel good because at least these people are doing the things that I understand should be done.
Well, we are limiting traffic into the office. We limiting the number of patients that come through the office. That's one strategy. Sanitary, we're very diligent about sanitizing everything that potentially could be touched in the office. And we're also eliminating some certain services that we were doing before that we feel that at this particular point in time, in the interest of social distancing, that we've eliminated. For example, a lot of our massage therapists aren't doing any hands-on type of treatments at the moment. We're focusing our attention on more physical therapy, physical rehab, and then making sure that anyone who comes close that has protective gear for the patient and the provider.
Could you describe for us the protective gear that you wear when you treat a patient?
Well, we have masks if we're getting very close to the patient, and we also have gloves that we use as well. And particularly, the main thing is sanitation, where we require all of our patients to come in before as soon as they walk in the building, go wash their hands, sanitize, and when they leave, wash their hands and sanitize. So we pay a lot of attention to making sure that everything's clean.
Have you had any COVID-19 scares at the office?
We haven't had any. Obviously, we want to make sure that if you have an active infection, that you should be quarantined. We haven't had anyone with active symptoms that have come through our office. No.
Oh, that's terrific. And none of your staff has been affected or impacted?
No. Yeah. Anyone who can work at home are sent home to work. Our phone lines are open at the moment, even though our office is closed. We have staff that are able to answer calls, send records to attorneys, and do administrative work. But if you can work from home, then we send our patients or our employees to go work from home.
Okay, I understand. So you have more than one office, is that right?
Yep, our primary office is in South Tampa. We're on Azeel and Del Mabry, right next to the big LA Fitness, which is the big building right down on South Del Mabry. And then we have an office in Brandon, near the Brandon Regional Hospital.
Great. And you practice with your brother?
Yeah, my brother and I are been partners ever since we opened. So it's been a good mutual partnership.
And the name of the practice is?
It's called Essential Integrative Medicine. Our phone number is 813-253-0711. We have a website as well. It's a long name, but it's essentialintegrativemedicine.com.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being with us today and taking the time out of your busy schedule to share with us your insights and give us some really good, solid advice. My name is Catherine Rinaldo. As I said, I'm a personal injury attorney in Tampa, Florida. If you'd like to reach me, call 831-9999, or you can email me through our website, Rinaldo, RINALDO, Law, LAW Group. That's one word, RinaldoLawGroup.com. Y'all be safe. Bye.